Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 16th of February, 2022, about 8:25 a.m. So we have a day where, again, we walk in, the stock market's lower. Bids coming into the gold and the silver market, copper about steady. Dollar down a fraction. Actually, it's a mixed day in all the currencies if you look at them. Energies are getting a bid. Grain's a bit of a bid, but soybean stands out there. I wonder if that's South American issues again with the weather market taking place. Bitcoin coming down just a fraction on us, and platinum up. Now, the events of the day. There's a lot of news out today. The MBA mortgage headline recaps came out, and as you can see, down 5.4% in the index itself. The purchase index down 1.2%, and the refi down 8.9%. To be expected, interest rates have been creeping higher. Plus, where are we? Middle of February? Is this really that strongest house market? Retail sales were blowout. A lot of reasons. Service didn't do the job. It was more in the stores. A lot of people think it could be a combination of inflation and those gift cards that people gave out because the shelves were fairly empty at Christmas. Maybe those were being used. Retail sales up 3.8%. The American consumer is alive and strong even without getting those government checks. Ex-autos up 3.3%. They expected 0.8%. That's a blowout. And as you can see, retail sales from December were revised even worse. So this is quite a pickup. Import-export prices stronger. The import, we're taking in some inflation. They expected it up 1.2%. It was up 2%. Prior month was down a -2%. Export, hey, let's get rid of that inflation. We'll give it to you. So the prior month down 1.8%, up there. And petroleum, we all know that's on fire right now. I'm waiting. Right now, we should have had at 8:15 the Federal Reserve Industrial Production. I didn't see it as I'm recording this. National Association of Home Builders. So now we're going to see how the MBA numbers on the mortgage ties into that. That'll come out at 9 o'clock. Business inventories. We'll see what they do. Are they building or where are they going? I tried to buy yesterday a tire. Not a car, but a tire. And I had to go on to eBay, the Chicago area. I live in a big city, and the specific tire that I needed wasn't there. eBay's sending it, and I'll have it to my person. But that was interesting because we're not a little bitty city, and they told me June for the tire. I went, and I'll have it Saturday by buying it on eBay. EIA crude oil stocks come out at 9:30, and NATO, this is so important. NATO is saying more troops are building up on the border. This comes from the NATO Secretary General. They are not seeing troops leave. They are seeing more come in. Now, Lithuania is shutting down certain of its computer services to banks and the like. They are fearful of a spillover, and they are taking more measures in the Ukraine, fearful that they'll be hacked again. As yesterday, the defense ministry and a couple of banks saw that they were hacked. Prelude to a war? Could be. Invasions happen with that often. You hit the communication sector. So nothing has changed. I told you that the one thing that I'm fearful of is that you go home with one position, you wake up in the morning, you got a whole different world going on. That seems to be the game, and it's frustrating, but it's a day trader's delight. It is not a trend trader's delight. And with that, what we try to do is adjust to it. So we're telling you about this in all our research. If you haven't seen what we give our clients, now our clients, many commercials, hedgers, institutional people, they come through there. They want to see what we're saying, what the spreads are doing, what the options are telling the market, and what we're doing in the cash market in terms of looking at seeing what our clients and others are doing. It could be the grains, the meat markets, the soft commodities, the energies. Take a look at it. You got nothing to lose. You're only going to get it for a few days. But I think you're going to want to see the special reports, the chart action that they put out. It's phenomenal. How do you get it? Go to our website, sign up for the free offer by going to www.iraepstein.com. If you want to get it quicker, just call my staff. They'll pick up the phone. They'll have you on it like that. When I say like that, try a minute, and you'll be getting everything you want right away. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with more information. Have a great trading day.